All right, if you just upgraded to the S26 Ultra, you're gonna want a case because you want this bad boy protected at all times. Now, the case that I'm looking at right here is this blue case because I like the color blue. And one of the things that I really wanted to protect is right here. You can notice right out of the gate, guess what this is? This is a lens protector. So these camera lenses protrude quite a bit, right? And all the time, whenever I take pictures, I don't take a ton of pictures with my phone, but when I do, I'm always having to blow the lens, clean them up, all that kind of stuff. Well, I don't have to do that anymore with this case, because with this case, it closes and protects them just like that. I love that. Now, before I pop this in, I wanted to show you a little bit. Look how flexible this is. I love that. I've had other cases that feels like if you do that, it's just gonna break. So I love the flexibility combined with the rigidity of the case. Obviously, it's gonna give you 4 corner protections. I think we've come to the technology where all cases are gonna protect your phone. Now, it just, what kind of luxury items can I have? Well, this case packs it right there. Not only does it protect your lenses, but you're gonna need them protected because you don't wanna just lay it down flat and risk scratching the lens. You don't wanna do that. So we're gonna kick this case in. Really super easy to put that case in there just like that. I mean, look how good that looks. The other thing that it gives you is in all your MagLite accessories, you're gonna be able to do that. Plus you have a kickstand, right? So you have a kickstand on your phone, and you have the ability to wireless charge with all the MagSafe devices, so you can just smack it on your truck or the dash and you're good to go. Plus it protects your camera lens better than anything that I've seen that's out there, or better than just leaving it open like that, right? So I really do like having that protection with this case. Oh, and one other thing, it does come with some extra, which I'm not sure if I'm ever needed these or not, but it's kind of nice to have. It comes with some extra buttons right here. So if you're in the market for a new case, then you want to add that extra layer of protection. And again, it's really simple to take a picture. You're good to go with this one.